وبركاته. Math grade 5. Today we have revision for final exam term 2. Final exam term 2. The first question, add 31.5 plus 70.1. I want from all to write this question in your paper and solve it and tell me what is the answer. Is it the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth? Start.
Mr. I am done.
Yes, tell me.
The first one.
The first one. طيب, maybe. Thank you. Wait. What's your name?
Lean.
Lean. Okay.
Mr. I finished.
Yes, tell me. What is the answer?
Mr. First. Mr. I finished.
Okay. Okay, great. The first answer is the correct answer. Thank you for all, and thank you very much, Lean. The first one is the correct answer. Okay. Right. Now the second question, subtract 8 minus 1.5. Write the question and solve it. Yes.
I finished, Mr. 7.5. Mr. I finished.
Okay, tell me.
9.5. Mr. 6.5.
6.5. Yes.
Mr. 7.5. 6.5. Mr. 7.5. 6.5. 6.5. Mr. 7.5.
Okay. If you want to tell me the answer, the first one, tell me your name, then tell me the answer.
Lean, Mr.
My name is
Yes. Lean, yes. Tell me, Lean.
Mr. Riyaz.
The first one?
Yes.
Okay. Khalid, tell me, Khalid.
6.5.
6.5. Okay.
حارب. Mr. Me Maya.
Tell me, Harib.
0.7.
0.7, the first one. Okay. Who has else?
Mr. Maria,
Okay, Maria, tell me.
0.7.
0.7. The question here, 8 minus 1.5. 8 minus 1.5.
6.5, Mr.
6.5. Okay, and the 8 minus 1 will be 7. 7 minus half will be 6.5. Will be 6.5. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Thank you, Abdullah Al-Hamadi. Thank you. Right, the question now, evaluate. What's the meaning of evaluate? Find the value of this verses, mathematical verses. Find the value of this mathematical verses. What is the answer? 2 or 32 or 64 or 16? We have here 32. Divide by 2, multiply by 4. Yalla, start.
Mr. I finish. I might.
Okay, Maya, tell me.
60.
16?
Yes.
Maybe, thank you. Maybe.
Mr. Me أنا
Okay, Khalid.
64.
64. طيب, thank you. Maybe.
Mr. Me نغم.
Yes, Nagam.
64.
Thank you. Maybe. Who has else?
Mr. Lean. Mr.
Yes.
Lean.
Yes.
60.
65. Maybe.
Mr.
Thank you. Yes.
64.
What's your name?
بطي.
Bati. Okay, Bati. Thank you. Maybe.
Mr. Riyaz يا سعيد.
Yes, Eliazia.
64.
64. Okay. So the right answer 64. Why? Thank you for all. Yes. listen, please. The order operation here for divide. Why? Because as you know, order operation from left to the right, and the divide came at the first. So must to do the divide, then multiplication. So 32 divided by 2 will be 16. 32 divided by 2 will be 16. 16 multiplied by 4, 16 multiplied by 4 will be 64. Will be 64. So the right answer will be 64. Now the question multiply. Solve this problem. Yeah. And tell me. Tell me, Khalid.
مستر ثانية واحدة.
Khalid, tell me the question.
مستر سعيد ثانية واحدة.
Number 2.
مستر رياضي ثانية واحدة.
Who can read? Who can read this?
ثانية واحدة مستر نمبر 2
ثانية واحدة.
Listen, please. Listen now. Listen. Who can read this number? Who can read this number?
Mr. Me
291.884.
What's your name?
رياضية.
Great, Eliazia. So 291.84. Okay, so this is the right answer. This is the right answer. Great, great. Okay. Five.
finish question number 5.
wait.
استنى فوق شوية فوق شوي.
Wait. Yes, Saeed, what's your question? Okay, no question. Type. Now we have divide 25.6.
Sir, I finished.
0.6 divide by 1.6. Do here long division and tell me the answer.
Mr. I finished.
What's your name?
رياضي سعيد.
Tell me, Liazia.
1.6.
1.6. Type maybe. Thank you. Thank you. Who has else?
Me miss
Yes, what's your name?
Khalid.
Tell me, Khalid.
Number 1.
Number 1. Type maybe. Thank you. Thank you. Who has else?
Mr. 16 number 1.
What's your name?
بطي.
Okay.
Mr. number 1. Mr. سعيد number 1.
Okay, Said. Thank you.
عبد الله الحمادي number 1.
Number. Great. So the right answer will be 16. Great. The right answer will be 16.
مستر.
Yes.
مستر انت اللي فرشتها غير في الهاء وهذه الاوراق غير.
تمام. This is the same idea but the different question.
لا والله صح. لا والله صح. لا تصرف. والله صح. والله صح.
Now find the GCF of numbers 36, 18, and 24. 36 and 18 and 24. What is the right answer? Is it 6 or 2 or 3 or 4? Yalla, try.
Start.
Tell me.
3 Mr. 3 Start 3 Mr. Start 3 Mr. 6.
What's your name?
مستر number 3.
Mr. Aya Maria.
Mr.
Maya
My name
said
is
6.
Mayed is 6.
Okay, Maya.
رياضية.
Mr. Aya
Yeah.
Maria.
مستر رياضية 3.
3. Type. Thank you, maybe.
3 والله.
استاذ حارب.
Mr. Aya Maria.
Yes, Maria.
استاذ تسمعني استاذ انا مبسوط تسمعني استاذ حارب.
Tell me, Mansur.
Mr. مي نغم.
استاذ انا استاذ اسمعني.
Okay. Sultan, okay, tell me.
استاذ
Yes.
حارب السؤال.
Hmm? Yes, حارب. Tell me.
أسئلة 3 سؤال
3. Yes. Maybe. Yes, Khalid.
Mr. Me نغم
أستاذ
Okay.
6 مستر 6 والله ثلاثة والله أنا أول واحد قاعد قص من أول ما تقول يلا سووا على طول ثلاثة والله
Okay,
أستاذ
Mansour.
والله
Okay.
والله
Thank you, Mansour.
مستر يا أخي أستاذ ثلاثة ما أكذب عليك أستاذ يعني ثلاثة والله
Nagam, tell me.
ثلاثة أستاذ 3
Nagam, where is Nagam?
It's 3.
It's 3. Right.
Mr. No, Mr.
Right
No,
one.
not 3.
Right 6. The right one 6.
6
One GCF here will be 6.
Yes.
Okay. The question now, write the fraction in simplest form. Write the fraction in simplest form. We have 35 over 21. What is the right form? 2 or 5 or 5 over 3 or 7 over 3?
5 over 3.
What's your name?
Mike.
Okay, Mike, thank you.
كمان أستاذ منصور 5 over 3
5 over 3. Thank you, Mansour.
Mr. Me نغم
Yes, Nagam, tell me, please.
5 over 3.
Okay,
Mr.
thank
Reen
you.
Mr. علي
5 over 3 5 over
Lean,
3
Lean, tell me.
5 over Mr. علي 5 over 3.
Mr. Maria.
Okay,
Mr. علي 5 over 3.
Alia, okay.
Stop
Maria,
that.
5
سلطان
over
علي 5 over 3
Sultan Ali.
5 over 3
Okay, thank you. So the right answer, 5 over 3. Why? Because when you find the GCF between 35 and 21, it will be 7. So divide the whole fraction by 7. 35 divided by 7 will be 5. And 21 divided by 7 will be 3. So the right answer will be 5 over 3. 5 over 3. The question now, find LCM of numbers 7 and 5 and 11. Here LCM. What is the right answer?
Mr. I finished. My name is Mike.
روح فوق شوي ما خلصت. مستر علي 1.
بس خلاص
Right. Alia, your answer 1. Thank you. Who has else?
Mr. E. Mike.
الحمادي 1
1. Okay.
Mr. Me نغم
It's
بس
1.
ترى انا منصور علي 1 منصور علي
I
1
am Maria 1.
Mr. Me
بس
نغم
منصور
Okay.
منصور علي سلطان علي 1 سلطان علي 1 سلطان علي 1 ستوب منصور علي 1 سلطان علي 1
Okay, thank you, Sultan. Tell me, Nagam.
Mr. 1.
1.
مستر رياض يا سعيد 1.
Who has L?
مستر علي 1.
Aliazia. So the all answers now 1. Who has L? Who has the different answer?
استاذ حارب
Yes, Harif, tell me.
استاذ منصور علي 3
Harif, tell me.
استاذ 1
Harif.
استاذ 1
استاذ 16 616
Okay,
يا
what's your
صح
name?
استاذ صح اول صح استاذ صح
Right. Listen, please. The right answer is 385. Why? Because as you know, LCM, the common factors and non-common factors. Here, no common factor between 7 and 5 and 11. So take the non-common factors, means take 7 and 5 and 11, then multiply. 7 multiplied by 5 will be 35. 35 times 11 will be 385. So this is the right answer, not 1. This is the right answer. Okay, thank you.
Mr.
Yes.
I know number 9. What is answer?
Type, wait. Here we have sequence. Find the missing term in the sequence. We have here missing term. The numbers here, wait. 18, then 23, then 28, then 33, then 38. The first step, study the pattern. find the pattern, then find the missing term. Now you can answer, but tell me your name.
Mr. مين
43.
أستاذ حامد
43.
بطي tell me بطي.
43.
شوي أنا دانيال
Thank you,
43
بطي.
رياضي يا سعيد.
الياسيا.
مستر مين نغم
اوكي
مستر
نغم.
أستاذ روح فوق شوي 43 مستر مين 43
لين.
43
مستر
أستاذ حارب
43.
عارف.
ماريا.
ماريا.
أنا دانيال بلس 5
Okay.
43
Okay, thank you. Who has else? Who has different answer?
نعم يا
مايا. هذا أنا.
Yes, tell me.
34.
What's your name?
حمد.
Hamad. Okay, thank you, Hamad. طيب. The right answer here will be 43. Why? When you study the pattern here we have 18, then 23. We have add 5, then here we have 23, then 28. So we have 5. Then here we have 28, then 33. Add 5. Then here we have 33, then 38 means add 5. So the pattern here 5. So to find the missing pattern here, just add 5 to the last term here. 38 plus 5 will be 43. So the right answer now will be 43. Thank you. Right. The question 10 here we want to find the pattern. Find the pattern of the sequence here. We have 64, then 16, then 4, then 1. What is the pattern here? Is it divide by 4 or minus by 4 or multiply by 4 or plus 4?
Divide by 4.
Tell me.
استاذ
Tell me your name.
مستر مين
نغم.
مستر مين نغم
Tell me نغم.
divided by 4
Okay.
مستر عليا.
Alia, tell me.
Divide by 4.
Okay, thank you.
مستر مين مايد.
Maya, tell me.
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4.
مستر
مستر ماريا.
divide by 4 divide by 4
Saeed, tell me.
مستر divide by 4 divide by
Divide.
4
Okay, thank you. Who has else? Who has?
divide by 4
ماريا.
حارب استاذ
Yes, Harib, tell me.
divide by 4
Thank you, Harib. Thank you. Who has the different answer? Who has the different
مستر
answer?
يا ماريا. Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. Thank you, Maria. Who has the different answer?
nobody
Nobody. So the answer here divide by 4.
3. 1.
Okay. Why? Because 64 divide by 4 will be 16. 16 divide by 4 will be 4. 4 divide by 4 will be 1. So the pattern here will be divide by 4. Divide by 4. Great. Type. Question 11 here. Evaluate means find the value. We have this mathematical verses with many
Mr.
operations.
I know it. It's 5.
Okay.
5
Wait.
استاذ منصور علي 5
Wait, please. Wait. Here we have verses 5 exponent 2 divide. Here we have brackets 3 plus between parentheses. Here we have 6 multiplied by 4 minus 2. And here we have minus 1. Now try to find the answer.
استاذ منصور علي 5 or 1
Right. Tell me just one answer.
5
Mansoor Ali, just
I know
علي 5
Mr. علي نغم
Okay, Mansoor Ali 1. Thank you. Nagam
Mr. 0
0. Right. Thank you. Maybe who has else?
I am Maria.
Yes,
0.
Mary. Okay. Thank you,
استاذ
Mary.
3
0
محمد سهيل
Muhammad
3
is- Okay. Right. Who has else?
Me.
سلطان علي 0
أستاذ أنا حمد علي.
Okay, Hamad, tell me.
زيرو.
Okay, Hamad, great, thank you. Who has
هاي لأنه ما بيكون في شيء وني بتنقص وبتزيد. Mr. the answer is
what's your name?
zero. Eliazia.
Okay, thank you, Aliazia.
Mr.
Who has
Zero. Lean.
0? Who has the
Mr.
different answer?
Alia zero.
Alia, thank you, Alia. Who has the different answer?
مستر مي مايد
Okay, Mayed.
0.
مستر 3.
What's your name?
محمد سهيل.
Muhammad Al-Sail. طيب, thank you. Who has else?
No one.
No one. Right. The right answer will be 0. Why? Listen, why? Listen, why? The order for parentheses. So go through the parentheses. We have multiplication and minus. The order for multiplication, 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24. 24. Then we have minus 2. 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2, we have 22. 22. Now we have plus 3. 22 plus 3, we have 25. So the value here 25. Then the order here to the power. 5 exponent 2 means 5 times 5 will be 25. We have now 25 divided by 25. 25 divided by 25 will be 1. So the value for this operations here will be 1. 1, and here we have minus 1. 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 1 will be 0. So the right answer will be 0. The right answer will be 0. Right. The last question now, evaluate, find the value of this verses.
Mr. I know the answer. I'm done.
Mr. I am Maria.
Wait,
Mr. Me Mايد I finish it.
Wait,
It's
wait,
four.
please. Wait.
Mr. Mina.
Mr. I am Maria.
Here we have,
Yeah.
Mr. I am Maria.
wait, please. Wait. Right. Here we have between parentheses 3x4 divided by 9 plus 1. Then we have divide by 5 minus 1. Now tell me your answer.
Mr. Ali. Mr. Mina. Lean.
Mr. I am Maria 1.
It's not,
Answer is 1. Mr. Mina.
Nagam, tell me Nagam.
1.
Nagam 1. Okay, thank you. Lean.
Mr. 1.
Lean.
I am Daniel. The answer is 4. Mr. I am Ali. Can I answer?
Alia.
The answer is 4. أستاذ 4.
Okay.
Can I answer? Mr. 4. Mr. أمهرة 4.
Yes, Mahra.
أستاذ سلطان علي 4. I am Daniel. The answer is 1.
أستاذ
سلطان علي 4. أستاذ سلطان علي 4. محمد أستاذ.
Okay, Saeed.
أستاذ سعيد 4. أستاذ سلطان علي 4. سلطان علي كعبي 4.
I am Maria.
All student answer me 4 without Nagam. Answer me 1. Who has the different answers?
Mr. Maria.
Yes, yeah, tell me. Tell me, Maria.
مستر 3.
Maria.
Mr. I said 1.
Maria 1. Okay.
I am
Sorry.
Mr. You heard it 4, but I said 1.
What's your name?
Alia, Mr.
Alia. Yeah, 1. Okay.
Ali 1.
Okay.
Mr. Lean 1.
Lean 1. Okay. Thanks.
علي 1.
Who has the different
1.
answer?
أستاذ 1.
Okay, what's your
مستر خلاص غيرت 1 1 غيرت 1 مستر 1
مستر 4
okay,
4
طيب.
مستر 1 1 1
دانيال 1
4
Okay,
ستوب
yes.
1
What's your name?
سلطان علي
Okay, Sultan, thank you. 1. You said 1. Who has else?
مستر 4
What's your name?
Mr. No one. All of them have
مستر 4
the same numbers,
What's
4 and 1.
ثلاث فوق 4
مستر
Okay,
4
tell me your name.
حمد
استاذ عبد الله مسعود فوق.
Thank you. Hamad, you said
Mr.
4. Yes.
مستر 4 مستر
What's your,
4
what's your name?
مريم
Maryam. Thank you, Maryam.
مستر 4
What's your name?
اشتار 4 سعيد
Okay,
مستر
Said.
سعيد 4
He said 4. Okay. What's your name?
سلام حمد
Can you
Salah.
give us the right number, the right answer? Because all of us get the same numbers, 1 and 4.
What's your name?
1 مستر 1
Maria, Mr.
Alia, you said 4.
4
No,
Yeah.
Mr. I said 1. From the beginning, I said 1 before
بس
Nagam
أمهلك
said.
مستر على مهلك 2001
مستر
1. Okay, great.
Mr.
Right.
And I said 1.
Listen to my answer, please.
اوكي
The right answer will be 1. Why? Listen. The order operation here between parentheses here we have, as you see, we have power, we have divide, we have plus. The order for the exponent. 3 exponent 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 4 times. 3 times 3 will be 9, times 3 will be 27, 27 times 3 will be 81. So the value here, 81. Now 81 divide by 9, 81 divide by 9 will be 9. So the value here, 9. 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So the value between parentheses will be 10. Then we have divide by 5. 10 divide by 5, 10 divide by 5 will be 2. Then we have minus 1. 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1, will be 1. Right. I will repeat the revision.
مستر
Yes.
what time is the period finish?
يعني about 5 minutes إن شاء الله.
اوكي
مستر آخر مسألة ما فهمتها
Okay, I will repeat. I will repeat. Just listen, please. The first question, add. We have two numbers as a decimal here. 31.5 plus 7.5. The order is very important here. Okay, write the first number, then put the second number under the first number, but always remember put the point under the point. 7 here, ones put under 1, ones, and 1 here, tenths put under tenths. Then you can add. You will find the answer. You will find the answer 38.6. 38.6. The second answer, the second question here, subtract. We have 8 minus 1.5. You can solve it mentally here, no problem. 8 minus 1 will be 7. 7 minus half, 7 minus half will be 6.5. Will be 6.5. If you want to do it as a rule, as a normal subtraction, put here 8 and put 0 point. Then put the point under the point, put 1 under 8, and put 5 under the 0. Then borrow 1 for 0. Then you can subtract, you will find the answer will be here 6.5. The answer here, evaluate. The meaning of evaluate means find the value of these verses. We have here mathematical verses. We want to find the value. As you see here, we have divide and we have multiplication. As you know, divide and multiplication the same value in the order, but the operation here from left to the right. So divide came at the first, so do divide, then do multiplication. 32 divide by 2, 30.
can't hear you.
Hello?
Multiply the two decimal numbers here, you will find the number 291.84. 84. Here divide. When you see the divisor here has a decimal, we cannot do long division directly. Try to remove the point. So multiply the two numbers here by 10. Then do long division. You will find the answer will be 16. You will find the answer will be 16. Now find the GCF of these numbers. Take 36 and find the prime factors. Will be you will find 2 exponent 2 multiplied by 3 exponent 2. And take 18. Then find the prime factors. It will be 2 times 3 exponent 2. And take 24. Then multiply. Then find the prime factors. You will be here 3 multiplied 2 exponent 2. The common factors between them, the 2 and the 3. So 2 times 3 will be what? Will be 6. 2 times 3 will be 6. So 6 here, the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor.
أستاذ خلصت الحصة.
Now write the fraction in simplest form. Write the fraction in simplest form. We have this fraction. As you remember, as you know, when you want to find the simplest form, you can find the GCF to the numerator and denominator. Take 35 and write the prime factors. Then take 21 and write the prime factors. 35 you will find 3 times 7, and 21 you will find 3 times 7. So 35 equal 5 times 7, and 21 equal 3 times 7. The common factor between them, you will find 7. You will find 7. So now divide by the GCF, divide by 7. 35 divided by 7 will be 5. 21 divided by 7 will be 3. So this is the right answer. Find LCM of numbers 7 and 5 and 11. As you know, LCM, the common and the non-common factors. But here, no common factor between 7 and 5 and 11, because all numbers here are prime. So what I do, take the non-common. So the non-commons, take 7 and 5 and 11. Multiply 7 times 5 times 11. You will find the answer.
دكتور هاني
385. Yes.
مساء الخير.
أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا.
أم خالد معاك.
أهلا وسهلا أختي أم خالد.
دكتور هاني من بدت الحصة لين الحين يعني كله يطلعون خالد. شو خانته؟ شو فايدته؟ ليش إنزين؟ منو هذا؟ منو عنده التحكم؟ شو استفدنا من هالكلاس نحن؟ وأنا من كذي كنت أتصل فيك. يعني بكبر الحصة خالد ما سمع شيء، كله اوت.
اوكي ما في مشكله اختي ام خالد، هلا انا ببعث لك التسجيل، ما في مشكله
ان شاء الله.
The question now, find the missing term in the sequence. We have 18, 23, 28, 33, 38. The first step, study the sequence. Find the pattern.
تي
The pattern here. Okay, just listen now, please. 18, then 23 means add 5. Then 23, 28, add 5. 28, then 33, add 5. 33, then 38, add 5. So the pattern here means plus 5. So to find the missing term here, 38 plus 5, 38 plus 5 will be 43. Will be 43. Now the question here, find the pattern of the sequence. As you see here, we have 64, then 16, then 4, then 1. Means 64 divided by 4 will be 16. 16 divided by 4 will be 4. 4 divided by 4 will be 1. Means the pattern here divide by 4. Divide by 4. So this is the right answer. Divide by 4. Question 11 now. Evaluate. Here we have curses, and here we have brackets, and here we have parentheses. The order for parentheses. The order for parentheses, then brackets, then curses. Right. Go through the parentheses. You have multiplication and minus. Do multiplication at the first. 6 multiply. 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24. 24 minus 2 will be 22. 22 plus 3. 22 plus 3 will be 25. So the value here 25. And here we have exponent. 5 exponent 2 means 5 times 5 will be 25. Now 25 divided by 25. 25 divided by 25 will be 1. So the value here 1. And here we have minus 1. 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 will be 0. So the right answer here will be 0. The last question now, if we have here we have parentheses and divide and minus. The order for parentheses. So go through parentheses. You will find you have exponent, you have divide, you have plus. So the order for exponent, 3 exponent 4. What's the meaning of 3 exponent 4? Means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 will be 9. 9 times 3 will be 27. 27 times 3 will be 81. So here 81. 81 divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 will be 9. So the value here 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 9 plus 1 will be 10. So the value inside parentheses 10. Now 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 will be 2. So the value here 2 now. Now 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the right answer 1. Yes?
أستاذ متى تخلص الحصة؟
If you don't have any question, you can leave, no problem. Okay? If you don't have a question, you can...
أستاذ ما بتاخذ attendance.
No attendance now. Because this is revision. This is the revision. Who has a question?
Bye, mister.
Why? Who has a question?
Bye, mister.
Bye, mister.
Okay, bye.
Bye, mister.
Bye, mister.
Bye.
Bye, mister. See you tomorrow on Sunday.
Okay.
Bye, mister.
Bye.
Mister. Mister.
Salam. Yes?
mister.
السلام.
شيخ بدر
Bye,
يقولها ما تقدر.
طيب.
mister.
Wait, please. So this is our revision today. Thank you for your listening. See you inshallah tomorrow. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.